been trying to escape my past, give up on the sadness that you left behind. I've been trying to erase my mind, but you're still like a nightmare. And I close